Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best tablets for AutoCAD in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. Top on our list is Apple's iPad Pro. This new 4th gen iPad gains a couple of valuable extras over last year's solid and exciting model. This 2020 model is a more powerful tablet with the capability to run demanding apps effortlessly, on which you can also play media, thanks to its impressive display and speakers. Coming in 12.9 inches, it is seriously a big tablet, but despite being large, it still feels incredibly massive. Its squared-off edges and a full front glass cover, even on the bezels, provide ample space to draw, which is an added benefit for professionals and beginners used to Apple or its iOS software. It offers a 2732 by 2048 resolution, making it look great with a 120 Hz refresh rate for super smooth visuals. And when it comes to pencil, it supports Apple Pencil 2, Apple's stylus of choice for pinpoint control. It will adapt words written with the Pencil 2 to text and provide gesture controls to allow you to edit sentences while writing effortlessly. Finally, for the camera, it packs a respectable camera setup with a 12 megapixel f/1.8 main shooter, a 10 megapixel f/2.4 ultra-wide camera for utility, and a time of flight sensor for depth sensing, which can be used to blur the background behind portrait photos as well as scan the environment for AR effects in apps. This Galaxy Tab S7 FE is a full-on mid-range tablet that shares some of its hardware with the Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus. By design, the Galaxy Tab S7 FE looks the same as the Tab S7 Plus at first glance. The front side is taken up by the huge 12.4-inch display, while the sides and back of the tablet are metallic, offering a premium feel. Coming at 12.4-inch, it requires 2 hands for comfortable use. But despite being large by weight, it's not as heavy as you would expect. For display, it used LCD instead of OLED and tops out at 60 Hz with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 px. If you were looking to get a tablet for productivity purposes, then you'll be glad to know that this S7 FE comes bundled with an S Pen stylus, making taking notes, sketching, annotating, signing, and scrolling easy and enjoyable. Powered by an impressively large battery of over 10,000 mAh, it can easily last for hours at a stretch. And unlike other budget tablets Samsung offers, this Tab S7 FE features the full Galaxy Tab experience, including DEX, Samsung's proprietary feature that enables you to use a desktop-like interface. Like many Amazon devices, this Fire HD10 is also an amazing device that undercuts more expensive competitors in price, while offering many of the same features. Taking its display, it comes in a 10.1-inch high-definition touchscreen with 1920 by 1200 resolution at 224 ppi. And moving on to its camera, the photos taken with the 5 megapixel rear camera and 2 megapixel selfie camera turned out excellent compared with cameras on similar tablets with almost the same price range. Its dual stereo speakers are acceptably loud, giving a 96.3 decibel reading at 6 inches from the tablet. And if that's not enough, like if you want to listen to music, watch videos, or take a long video call. In that case, you can take advantage of its standard 3.5mm headphone jack or Bluetooth headset support to get sharp and clear audio. Designed with matte plastic, you can get it in black, blue, green, or pink. And finally, coming to its battery life, it has a long-lasting battery capacity of 12 hours, 48 minutes of Amazon Prime Video playback over Wi-Fi. And along with this, you can also get the battery charged from flat to 100% in just 3.5 hours with fast charging. Next is Microsoft Surface Pro 7. This Surface Pro 7 is one of the best 2-in-1 tablets that comes in 12.3 inch with a touchscreen. It is lightweight design-wise, and what's more impressive with this model is that with this model, Microsoft has finally added a USB-C this time around. Along with the addition of USB-C, the performance and general usability have also improved, as you'd expect with the latest generation processors and hardware. It packs an Intel Core i7 CPU and 16 GB of RAM to handle the usual multitasking crunch without a sweat. Taking its display, it features a touchscreen at 12.3 inches on the diagonal with a 2736 by 1824 resolution. And this screen is very sharp, vibrant, and responsive to touch, just like its previous model. It supports a rear-facing kickstand and optional signature type cover keyboard for transforming this tablet into a laptop. And utilizing this compatible kickstand, it can also rotate from 0 to 165 degrees to quickly prop it up for laptop use or tilt it slightly above desk level for drawing or note-taking, which can be counted as an added benefit, as you only need to take this one device for multiple purposes. This Wacom Intuos Pro is a paper edition digital drawing tablet with valuable ink space that's specifically designed for artists and designers. Its paper to digital ability will let you capture editable versions of your pen on paper sketches, and featuring a pen with 4 times higher accuracy and pressure sensitivity than previous versions, you will also get outstanding tilt recognition and virtually lag-free tracking. Its multi-touch technology can sense your fingers, so you can zoom, scroll, and navigate around your art as simply as using your smartphone. And depending on how you like to work, you can also turn multi-touch on or off with the switch provided on the side of the tablet. This tablet has got about 8 application-specific express keys with which you can program for your favorite keyboard shortcuts. And along with that, it also has a touch ring that's provided for intuitive control of canvas rotation, brush size, scrolling, and other functions. In the package, you will get a Wacom Intuos Pro tablet and the Wacom Pro Pen 2, plus a detachable paperclip to hold your paper on top of your tablet while you sketch, as well as pressure-sensitive Wacom fine tip pen. Lastly, we have the Microsoft Surface Go. This sleek and slim new Surface Go is designed with a stunning 10-inch Pixel Sense display with a touchscreen that's perfect for browsing, working, and binge watching. Starting at just 1.3 pounds, this Surface Go is the smallest and lightest Surface yet. It can fit easily in your bag and gives you laptop performance with tablet portability. Designed with the latest Windows laptop operating system and Office 365, it runs Windows 10 in S mode to do the things you want with the protection you can count on and performance that lasts. And when it comes to laptop mode, you can place your Surface Go in laptop mode by opening and adjusting the built-in kickstand and adding a removable Surface signature type cover. While for getting tablet mode, you can just close its kickstand and detach or fold the Surface signature type cover back for an ultra-portable, standalone Intel tablet. It is powerful enough to run all of your software, and also houses a battery that can last for a whole day of work. Finally, for ports, you'll get a multitasking USB-C port, fast-charging Surface Connect, and a headphone jack as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.